Look like Atika again. Now over there.
Let's go here.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayan.
Benjamin.
Ganyan ba?
Oh, ciao! Oh my God, what's wrong with you?
Tapos.
God. Jack. Jack. Jack.
Wash your hands. You can wash your hands here. Nasaan yung ticket? Dala mo?
Senior.
Te? Ha? 5? Ay, ano to sa ano lang doon? Oh. 800. Saan? May mga 1,000.
May isa pa. Si Darling.
Doon lang yan sa parking pala.
Oh my God. Bro.
Here, hold this. $800 thing. Ano lang pala yun, yung sa entrance fee. Yung ano. Lima, te.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Tapos pakibigay po sa loob, sir, para sa photographer po, para sa picture.
Okay, thank you. Ay, sukli. Thank you.
Are we going to Singapore or London?
We're going to Rio de Janeiro.
Drinks.
There's no drinks on it though. Yeah, just go here. Yeah. Hawakan mo lang.
Pagkain ko man na. Iwan natin na yan. May mga number po tayo rin ba?
Ay, boss.
Kaya ba yun?
5.
Sige, check tayo sa bus ya.
Sabay.
Okay. Check tayo sa bag ma'am. Wala naman po ano yung mga...
Walang baril? Wala pong baril, kuya.
Oh, here.
Junk food pala dahil.
Afternoon
Junk
po.
foods.
May stop tayo sa pila.
Ito.
Picturean ko na lang kayo sa banguna sila. Sir, balik na lang ako sir ha, kasi may pila pa din pa. Maya na lang sa. One line pa.
Dito.
Maganda yan, kuya.
Yung stop ko ibayad dito.
Okay, nice.
Saan ba, kuya? Dito? Saan kami magpwesto?
Dyan po.
Dito. Oh, yes. Come here.
Look at kuya.
Dito.
Take a photo.
Father, may I return your card?
Okay, ready po. 1, 2, 3.
Or shall we have our group picture taken now? Or before we go home?
Thank you po.
Then na lang po dun sa may photo souvenir.
Photo.
After niyo po, ma'am.
After na lang mamasyal. Okay. Thank you. Mami, tago mo to.
Maghilamos, Dad.
Kahit ako eh. Gusto ko bathroom doon.
Anuin mo na yung ano.
Clyde, can you drink this?
Let's go,
It's a-
bathroom first.
Yeah. Boss, saan pa ba yung restroom?
Sa dulo, sir, yung kulay green
Dulo?
na bubong
Kulay green?
kanan.
Oh, okay. Thank you. Doon yung yung restroom. Wow. Bo Hollywood. Paris. Ang galing ah. Golden Gate Bridge. It's right there. Golden Gate. Ito yun, anong tawag dito, bebe? What's that called?
Leaning Tower of Peace.
Leaning Tower? Where? Oh yeah. Nakapunta na tayo ng New York. Ano yun, nandoon sa taas, sa tuktok? What there? What's that one?
Ben tayong Singapore.
Oh.
Diba naman tayong Singapore?
Yeah.
Oh, yan o.
Oh yeah. This one, nakapunta na tayo. Okay. Ito. Hollywood. Oh, ito na pala, no? Ito na yun eh. Hindi namin napuntahan. Ang galing. Ito yung Golden Gate Bridge. Pipi. Golden Gate Bridge. Ang galing oh.
Release ko na lang yung mga
Hollywood. Hollywood. Yeah.
Did you see that statue?
No.
The silver one on the wall?
Wait, why?
Look at it.
Oh yeah.
That's what I see in that.
Uh-huh.
There's a stairs. Yes. Yeah. Wait, I get it over there. What? Over there. You don't want to walk. What?
Mami, picturean ko kayo doon.
Ayun, wag na picture dad. Kasi ito.
Hmm.
Just go. There's no upstairs.
Ang galing oh. Ano naman to? Ah, dito mami, dito tayo may picture oh. Mami, dito. Mirror of the world. Dito tayo mag-picture.
I learned about him. Wow. Genghis Khan. Oh. He was a powerful.
Bibi,
He wanted all of
how you time
it. Well, it's supposed to be China, but.
timer? I got it. Bebe, mami, bebe. Doon na kayo, 10 seconds.
Okay.
Tayo tayo. Pwesto. Clyde, come on. Kuha kaya. 10 minutes. 1.
Daddy said 10 minutes.
Ay, 10 seconds. 1.
Why is it like that? Daddy can do it the other way.
Yeah, but that one first.
No, you're done. Oh my God. You can't say it.
Okay, again. Put it in the mirror. Yeah. This one?
Flip.
Okay.
Wait.
Oh, hold on. That's it. Yeah. Oh yeah. That's it. There you go.
This is the Hollywood. The Hollywood. Where am I gonna go?
In the middle.
Next to dad.
Kyrie is in the middle.
Who's that?
Spider.
Ready?
Okay, come on.
10 seconds.
Come
Come here.
Next to dad.
Next to me.
Oh, yes, so much fun.
Dad, dito ka dad. Okay.
Thanks.
Hold it.
Yes, nice.
You see, is it nice?
That's nice. Wow.
I'm so fat.
Mm-hmm. This one, the other one.
That one's so bad. That's the one you took.
Okay. Ah, that's nice. Ayaw mo umakyat doon?
Mamaya na, dad. Yan
Ah.
ang mga bata.
Oo.
Yeah, two. Yeah, two. I can do that too. I'm so crazy, bro. I can do flip off it. Oh shit. What the heck is this?
Pwede na mag-Jollibee mamaya, dad.
Yeah. Bebe, take my picture with Hollywood.
Oh yeah, but hopefully.
Tara, mami. Dalawa tayo. Tara, come here. Hollywood. Hurry up.
Go this way.
Yung ano, taas ya. Got it? Ikaw, mami. Ika. Tayong dalawa. Me and mami, bebe.
Ako dito sa kabila.
Dito ka na. Tabi na tayo. Tagalin mo yan.
Wait, this way. Yeah, what are you doing?
Hurry up.
Wait.
Okay, let's go. Tubig. Let's go out there.
Golden Gate of
There, let's go there.
Golden State Bridge.
Dapat dito muna tayo.
Netherland. Oh, Netherland.
Guys,
Yeah.
dapat dito muna tayo.
Dito muna.
Why statue? Why statue? Dad actually wrong.
Huh.
Why statue? Why? Oh.
Let's go here. Come here. Bebe, look at that.
Hey yo!
Dito, sa akyat.
You dude. Ano yung want it? Ano yung want it, sir? Why? Is that an
Hmm?
ant or a spider? You're just not.
This is like 300, you know. This is Spartan.
Be quiet. I'm sorry. Wait. Alright, let's do this, Dad.
Mami, doon sila nag, kumpulan, no?
May ilaw siguro to guys.
Sa Singapore,
May ilaw siguro to.
Oh, yeah.
Hanap.
Yeah, may ilaw yan. Ang ganda, no? Ha? Para ka nasa ibang lugar, no? Parang hindi Bohol. Parang Hollywood lang. Woo! What the?
I did not go all the way up here for
Let's go there. There. That way. Mami, manong dagan magkagahubo diri, mami.
Where? What do you mean you want to? No, I'm not holding it. I'm not holding it.
Let's go. Let's go.
Balls.
Let's go.
What is this? What's this from? The guy? I know, but there's bigger.
Let's go, mami. Go.
Dad, dapat naman picture ka doon. Why you picture? Why you weak? You're weird, Mom. This one. Another one. Yo!
Ew.
Oh my god, so many toys. Hey, what is this? Yo, yo, yes, look.
Mami, doon sa taas, mayroon din. Dito, mayroon pa dito. Meron yata. Ito, may bintahan dito ng ano. Ganda eh, no? Wow, that's nice.
I keep farting.
Huh?
Farting.
Is that you farting?
Yeah.
So stinky.
Dad, I want to go to the Big Papa Jesus.
Yeah, we're gonna go there. We're gonna go up there. Take a picture here, baby. So nice. No, I only see this on saw it on YouTube. But
Dad, take a picture of me. Look.
here? Oh, ate can take a picture. Take a picture, kuya, baby. Hmm. Tropa?
Yeah, kaya nga ito yung binili ko.
Hmm.
Hey, stop it. Open.
I tried to pour in the. It's there.
Painom ako. Huwag mo ubusin.
Meron sila ano dito.
Clyde, oh.
Restaurant.
What happened?
Water.
Here, I refilled.
Saan ba ito ilagay?
Wala ka naman sa
Yung basura. Ayan. Salamat eh. Oo, salamat eh. Aha. Give it eh.
No.
Go. Hold it.
Okay, later.
Mami, gusto nga i-Clyde umakit doon, no? Sa kabila. Doon sa Golden Gate Bridge. Yeah. Let's go down and then we're gonna go around.
Okay, let's go.
Let's go. We're gonna go all the way there.
Oh, birthday toast.
Ang galing na ito.
Little boy,
Like,
I punch you.
what is that? Selamat.
Ingat po.
Selamat.
Ingat po,
Bye-bye.
Oh, Dad, picture.
Hmm.
Hey, go away.
Here. We're gonna go here. How the car go? Oh, they went that way.
Oh my God, they're talking about the ball.
Yeah.
I love it.
Yeah, we can go there. Go down. Yeah. Gimingaw sila.
Hey,
Go.
hey!
Oh, Hollywood. Let's go, guys.
You stepped on it.
Get it.
Hey, what the?
It farted. Oh my God. What are you doing, bro?
Juice.
Okay, watch out. Yeah,
Carry.
watch out.
Oh.
Mom, it farted on me.
Ba't nyo ginaganyan?
Kadumi. Oh, it's like a dirty.
Madumi yan.
That's why we should wipe. Look at how dirty it is. It's already gonna be clean after mine.
How are you gonna get after
I'm looking into the
Yeah, well, after you took all the dirt away.
The second floor. Second floor.
Look at that.
Come here. They clean it. Ang galing, no? Ginaya nila. Ang galing.
See, get farting on me.
Let's go.
He's farting on me.
Yo!
You let me again. It's for up.
Asam pag aku lusyo man ini.
Baby, Singapore. The Merlion?
Merlion.
Yeah. That's cool, huh? That's the one right there. Merlion.
Koi fish. And
Yeah.
a pee boy.
Whoa, there's a lot of koi fish.
Is it koi fish?
Koi. Koi fish. Let's go.
That's me.
Let's go. Walk. Here. Golden Gate Bridge. We're underneath the Golden Gate Bridge. Whew. What the? What's this, Kuya? Hey. That's the one, the other one right there.
What's that?
Baby, the other one right there. Look. Kyrie, what's that? Oh, the bird. Oh, there's the one that right there. It's a bird. Bird. Come here, mami. Dito tayo sa Golden Gate Bridge. Golden Gate Bridge. Doon tayo. Kabila. Hindi naman dito. Basta doon. Kabila. That's cool, huh? Oh, let's go. Come here. Tara. Let's go. Hmm? Galing lang nagawa, naisip din nila, no? Ginaya nila yung ano.
The one that grandma talking about? Sabi ba ni Kuya, maganda daw dito pag gabi?
Paggabi may mga ilaw. May mga ilaw.
Ang pala pag
Hindi. Hindi pa inano yung ilaw. Yung ilaw. Hindi pa inano.
Hindi pa yun.
Hmm. So, umakyat muna tayo sa taas. Tara. Mamaya tayo pagbalik. Yeah. Let's go. Ang ingay.
Always the green one.
Hmm?
It's always the green one, bro. I hate the green ones.
Ano to siya, mami? What's that, kuya?
Papa Jesus.
No, it's not. It's the one in Colombia or something.
Colombia?
Yeah.
Hopping?
Sa Colombia, Colombia ba? Ang tawag ito? Peru? Oh. We'll see. Let's check it out. Whoa. Whoa. Christ. Brazil. Brazil. That's cool. Very. That's cool. Got my phone.
Today, kasi yung head.
There's a drone
Where?
right there.
Oh yeah. Yeah, there's a drone right there.
Huh? What color is it?
Drone, over there.
What color is it?
Tapos dead, no?
Yeah, hindi pa.
Ayun, no, may ginagawa pa.
You see the Golden Gate Bridge.
But everyone keeps on crowding, but they're not
You
doing
went to
anything.
the real one and you went to the fake one.
They're both ugly.
It's nice though.
It's not even golden.
Yeah, nice. Right there.
The Red Gate Bridge.
Mm-hmm.
Dad,
Mm.
did you climb that mountain?
Nah,
You finally denied it.
there's anaconda in there.
Oh, it's not a snake, huh?
Yeah,
Is that why you're scared of snakes?
yeah.
Because you tried to climb up the mountain, but then you got scared.
Mm-hmm.
And then you tumbled down.
That's cool, huh?
Oh, wait, that's a compass. I just realized.
Oh, that one?
Yeah, that's a compass. He's facing that direction. I don't know what direction that is.
Oh yeah.
I didn't really pay attention of during the pond.
Can you take my picture here, Kuya? I'm gonna take a picture. Here in Brazil, Kuya. Come on, go, go, go. Go like this.
Me?
Go like this, Kuya. Like him. In the top. Brazil. Kuya, Brazil. me, my turn. We did that. Again.
Okay.
Thank you, Kuya. Mami, ayaw mong picture? Bakit?
Oh, my shirt looks fat.
Ha?
Hey, huh? So, okay.
Oh, you want to do it?
Hey,
Hey!
Mom, help. See? Mom, get away from the freaking
No.
Ayaw mong picture dito? Ha? Tayo ka dito, oh. Picturean kita. Yeah, they like it. They like that bridge.
Bowling.
Mami, tara na.
Already?
Yeah, let's go to the Golden Gate Bridge. To the other side.
Huh?
To the other side, the
Why?
Golden Gate Bridge. We're gonna walk.
Oh
to
yeah, I
the-
want to see my statue.
Yeah, let's go.
Dad, Mom, come on. I didn't even let me picture. Can you eat more food? That's this.
Mm-hmm. Why, you like it?
I like the ham. Ham's good.
It's good, huh? Yeah. Tomorrow we're gonna eat.
I might try the sausage, but I'm trying the ham.
Yeah.
The ham's better. Dad, how do they know your order?
Hmm?
How do they know your order?
You just text them.
Oh,
Let's go.
how do they know it's you?
Baby. Let's go. Let's go.
We're gonna go on the other side of the room.
To the other side.
All up there.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Huh?
Actually, how do we need to go and get food? You have to make it from this food.
What's that, baby?
From Hawaii.
Hawaii? Hawaii. Oh, the lights. It's on.
Oh,
Look.
wow. Excuse me. Oh, wow, they turned it
Wow.
on.
Turn it on now.
Wait, we should take picture early.
Yeah.
No.
I think they're gonna turn on more lights.
Yeah.
Because there's more. Everything's supposed to light up.
Mm-hmm.
You bet. My watch is going to
What about this one? Where?
Right there.
Me and my 2-man. I think I got 2 mans.
Clyde, stop that.
But Dad, this is supposed to light up too.
Hmm?
This is supposed to light up too.
Oh yeah, huh?
Because look, there's right
It's galvanized steel.
Golden Gate Bridge.
Now look at the light. Yeah, but not all of them yet. That's the machine today. It's hot, bro.
So, doon sa ano, sa dulo, mami, meron pa doon.
Ha?
Meron pa dito. Ito doon. Pupunta dito. Ayan pa. What's this?
It's the mount. It's the Washington Mountain. Oh yeah, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
With the presidents on it?
Yeah, with the presidents on it. They called on.
Who's that guy that wearing glasses?
Clyde Labonog.
Oh, yeah.
Heck no.
That looks like,
There's nothing here, Dad.
Wala na. Let's done.
Oh yeah, come on.
There's no more.
Oh, we can.
Oh, you can? Oh, you can. Let's go. Tara na.
Oh, nice. 30 ay.
Gusto mo kunin yung ano, yung picture natin para may ano tayo souvenir. Upo tayo doon.
Yeah, this way. This is the.
Yeah.
Yeah, we can have a for Jollibee.
Grabe Jollibee. Jollibee talaga. Oh yeah, tara. Jollibee. Mm.
Yeah, maybe we could find a quick way.
Mhm.
Is the date all like slow here?
Yeah, get the pictures. Oh yeah, huh, this one.
Nak, you want to take a photo, Paris?
Ganda no? So, this is
this is a rental car.
the car. Yeah. Dito ba yan? Dito, mami?